Good morning, buenos dias, Lincoln Mustangs. This is Miss Monist with your morning announcements for Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. And I'm going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance. So go ahead and stand up. And remember that you don't have to say all the words to the Pledge of Allegiance, but you do have to stand and be respectful. And if you need to, you can look at my handy dandy little mini flag. So let's go on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Mustangs, communicate. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, sir. No, sir. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Help me. I have. I can. I will be elite. All right, the next thing that I want to say is very important because it's a change from something that we've been doing. So it's kind of breaking a habit that we've already formed. But starting tomorrow, we will go back to doing the Pledge of Allegiance and the Elite Chant in the gym before we all leave. So we were trying something different this year. Now I want to try and go back to the way that we were doing it before and kind of compare and contrast some data. So students and teachers, please know that I will not be doing the Pledge of Allegiance and the Elite Chant on video tomorrow. We will do it with the microphone in the gym. All right. I have decided to lift the no movement for students in grades 5, 6, and 7. I feel like these students no longer need an escort, but as always, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. So students and teachers, if we start to notice students out of the classroom, and by we, I mean like the other administrators, elite, other people that are kind of in the hallways more. If we start to notice students out of the classroom without a pass, then I will be forced to reignite the no movement period for those grade levels. 8th grade, I'm not convinced yet, but I think that you have the ability to convince me within the next few days. I do see progress. I can see that things are going better, but I want to see that you can maintain and keep it up. In other news, I am banning all snack selling. So nobody is allowed to sell snacks at Lincoln K-8. No teachers, Mr. Reed, Miss Wade, Miss Herlichka, Mr. Jamerson, anybody else that was selling snacks, I'm cutting it off. There's just too many complaints, too many people not following the rules that are that go along with the snacks. So I'm going to give people that currently have snacks in their classroom that need to be sold. I'll give you guys until Friday to sell what you have. But then after Friday, there is no more snack selling for anybody at Lincoln K-8. I wanted to bring up the PBIS matrix just because I'm going to give out a bonus question today. In our matrix, there are 4 categories. So there's 4 kind of like big key rules, right? And then everything falls underneath them. And they are be engaged, be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. I will give a house point to anybody that can tell me those 2. So if you see me later on in the lunchroom or outside at dismissal, and you can tell me that our 4 rules are to be engaged, be respectful, be responsible, and be safe, then I will give you a house point. On the lunch menu today, it is Taco Tuesday with brown rice or an Italian sub sandwich, Southwest black beans, Mexican corn salad, blueberries, and ice cold milk. We have 5 Mustangs with a birthday today. We have Jeffrey Baskin in 7th grade, Akaya Brownlee in 8th grade, Hector Camacho in 2nd grade, Kevin Lee in 8th grade, Jonathan Rosales in 3rd grade. And then somehow I missed a couple birthdays, so I owe a very special and belated birthday to a 7th grader whose birthday was actually Sunday on August 17th, and that's, I'm not sure if I say this right, Jackson Enamorado. And then somehow yesterday I missed a birthday from a student in Miss Renich's class, and that was Renata. So happy belated birthdays to those guys. Those two plus the other 5 Mustangs may come to my office and receive their birthday surprise as long as they have a pass, except the 2 8th graders who still need an escort. The 7 Mindsets quote of the day today is, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And that is by Kevin Ngo. This has been Miss Monis with your morning announcements, hoping to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. Have a great day.